guys, I'm bummed you're not in class today, but it is what it is. So we are going to look at circumference. We're not going to worry about the area of any of these circles because at this point we haven't learned it yet. So I'm going to start with labeling my radius as 10. So my circumference formula is c equals 2 times pi times the radius. So 2 times 3.14 times 10. So then in my calculator, I'm doing 2 times 3.14 times 10, and I get 62.8 inches. They also want to know the diameter, so if the radius is 10, the whole length across would be 20 inches. Alright, this time they're giving me the diameter, so I'm going to use my circumference formula for diameter, c equals pi d. So c equals 3.14 times 26. So in my calculator, I'm doing 3.14 times 26, and I get c equals 81.64.
Mama?
So I know that my circumference is 81.64 inches. What's up, Isaac? To find the radius, you have to divide by 2, so that means the radius is 13. Oh, I like the wind. We're not going to worry about the area for this one because, again, we haven't learned it. So they're telling you the radius is 12. So we're going to use the circumference formula when we know the radius. So in my calculator, I'm doing 2 times 3.14 times 12. And I get the circumference is 75.36. And that's also going to be inches. Now I know if I have the radius, the diameter is 2 times that. So the diameter is 24 inches. Okay, please don't tease the cat. Alright, the next one is 8 for the radius. So we want to find the diameter. So I'm going to multiply by 2 and I get 16. And it's in inches. So then I'm going to use my circumference formula. C equals pi d. It doesn't matter which formula I use. Both will work out the same because the relationship between pi and circumference is proportional. So 3.14 times 16, I get the circumference is 50.24, and it's going to be inches again. Alright, this time they're giving me the diameter. So the radius is going to be 4 because the radius is half the diameter. So I'm going to use my formula c equals pi d. So c equals 3.14 times 8. And I get the circumference is 25.12 inches. For the next one, they say the diameter is 32. So to get the radius, I'm going to have to divide by 2. So 32 divided by 2 is 16. So I'm going to go ahead and do 2 times pi times the radius. So 2 times 3.14 times 16. And I get 100.48 inches. Number 7, the radius is 19. So I'm going to multiply by 2. And I get 38 inches for the diameter. So I'm going to use 2 times pi times the radius. Again, it doesn't matter which formula I use because both will work as long as I'm using the right formula with the right radius or diameter. So 2 times 3.14 times 19, I get 119.32 inches. Alright, this time the diameter is 4 inches, so the radius is going to be 2 inches. So pi times diameter, so it's 3.14 times 4. So my calculator, I get 12.56 inches. And the last one we're going to look at is if the radius is 17. So that means I'm multiplying by 2 to find the diameter. So that would be 34. So C equals pi d. So C equals 3.14 times 34. And I get 106.76 inches. So I wish you could have been in class today, but if you can't, I hope that you're looking over circumference so that you're ready to tackle circumference and area tomorrow. Bye.